Mel 2204, your project vlogger host. Subscribe. Magandang laban ang ibinigay ni Miss International Queen Philippines Sophia Arcangel sa nakaraang Miss International Queen 2024 Grand Finale. Nangihinayang ang nakararaming mga Pinoy dahil sa ganda, galing at talino ni Sophia, ngunit hindi ito sumabak at umabot sa top 3 finalists ng Miss International Queen competition. Bagaman hindi umabot sa top 3 finalist si Sophia Arcangel, ay talaga namang iwinigayway nito ang bandera ng Pilipinas at talagang nagpakita ng isang hindi malilimutan at napakagandang mga performances sa Miss International Queen stage. And we are very proud of you, Miss International Queen Philippines 2024, Sophia Arcangel. And of course, in this video ay napapanood po natin ang full performance ni Miss International Queen Philippines Sophia Arcangel para sa lahat ng patuloy at mga sumusuporta sa ating Queen. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Talagang worth it ang ating suporta para sa ating kandidata at binigyan niya tayo ng isang napakaganda at memorableng laban sa Miss International Queen stage at talaga namang nagbigay ng karangalan para sa ating bansa. Once again, congratulations to our Miss International Queen 2024 top 6 finalists, Miss Philippines Sophia Arcangel.
Question number three. I'll read it twice. What is the power within you that you think you want to pass on to the other people? And why? I'll read that one more time. What is the power within you that you think you want to pass on to other people? And why?
I think something that I can pass to other people is my positivity as a person. I'm a challenge-driven person. I can encourage each and everyone to think positively and to think optimistically. Because at the end of the day, after every darkness, we should always look at the bright side of every situation. Thank you.
Maraming salamat sa iyo at sa iyong panonood at maraming salamat din sa pagpindot ng subscribe button.